How to pay with miles on Singapore Airlines. Hello everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can pay with miles on Singapore Airlines. So here is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your account, alright? And then once you're logged in into your Singapore account, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. On this page, you can see welcome to what class, welcome to family, and then you can also see by the time you scroll down, you can see your flights, your membership number, as well as the number of miles that you have available. So the next step here is to move to the lower part of the screen where you can now book your flight. Now, if you have enough miles, instead of selecting book flight, all you need to do is to click on redeem flights. By clicking on redeem flights, it applies that you are trying to use your miles to pay for your flight. So after clicking on redeem flights, next thing to do is to go ahead and select your destination. You can even decide to select any of these beautiful places as the place that you are going to. Alright, so after selecting them, you'll be taken to another page where you'll be asked to, find your location and all of that. Then select your departure date as well as your returning date and all of that, but we won't be making use of that in this tutorial, so let's just go back. Okay, so once it has loaded and we're brought back to this page, go back and ensure that you've still selected redeem flight. Then select your destination. Okay, then select a departure date, a returning date as well, and then select the kind of class you want. The passengers, click on search. Then the flights available for those days will be displayed. Once you've seen those flights, select the ones that you can afford. After selecting the ones that you can afford, the amount will be displayed in your mouse. So you can now head over to your profile icon here to calculate the amount of miles you would need to pay for those flights. Calculate it, go ahead, proceed to passengers details, proceed to seats, proceed to payment, and then on the payment page, instead of you paying using your money, you'll be asked to pay using your miles. So this is how it works. Okay, this is basically how you can book flight using miles on Singapore Airlines. This is how you can pay with miles on Singapore Airlines. Another way you can also pay with miles on Singapore Airlines is by upgrading your flight. And how do you do that? Go to your profile icon, click on miles, and then wait for the page to load. Alright, so once that's loaded, you can see select miles and show you on the miles page. Click on how to use, and then you'll be taken to another page. Here you can see redeem miles. You can see the different, you can decide to pay with miles on flyschool.com, because I had to pay for rooms using miles and all of that. Just check through all of this and you are good to go. Thank you and have a nice trip.